welcome back to another episode of the Slime Rancher, of Slime Rancher. This is episode 2. I have a starter, a timer started, so that my video isn't gonna be as long as the last video. So in the last video, we have like a buttload of chickens. Like I don't even know how many chickens we have, and they're all hens. Where do we get roosters? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 10 chickens. Oh, 11 chickens. One over there in the corner. We have 6 of these in here. Oh, there are. There's 5. There's 6. Alright, we got 6 little slimes. The pink little slime. Oh, see, I thought there was 6. I know. I'll get you in just a second. We've got 6 little slimes, and we've got a rock slime, and we've got a tabby. They're all separated because if they eat each other's plorts, they will turn into a tar monster, and I don't want that. Alright, where'd you go? Come here. Go back in here. Siblings. Are you guys hungry? You said you'd go to bed. Yeah, I know he's hungry. Yeah, there you go. Use some cocoa fruit. You like veggies. I'm gonna do carrots. Oh, I guess it's like this squirt. Also, in the last video, I saw a gold slime that way. He just appeared and I'm like, all of a sudden he's gone. So which one I probably should feed my tabby a chicken. Because he eats me. I don't want to avoid him. You got some chickens? Yeah. We got another chicken for later. Which one is tabby? Port. Don't hit me. You hurt. How do I make you grow? Maybe like a pink one and you grow into like a big... What? No. Alright, what's going on? Straighten out. Alright. I don't know what's going on there for a second. I was only getting like, I think, I was getting like 4 or 5 frames, I think it is. And it was like, really, really glitchy. What are you going after? Like, what do you want? Oh, see, here it is. Okay, now it's all mine. So if I give it 1 phosphorus plort, and then I give it 4 beets and 3 tabby cats, then it will give me, see, Thora West. It's like different people each time. What are the odds the greenhorn beats y'all to this one? So I give him those, and I will achieve a stony hen, 4 stony hen, 2 roosteros, and 7 hen, which I want. But I do need the roosters. So I could try to do that. Come on. So let's go out and explore. Get my pogo fruit ready. And I've only got 1 slot. Oh, y'all guys are eating pogo fruits. I don't want to get any of the pink roosters. Why did you eat the chicken? I'm glad I wasn't a rooster. No gold slime today. At least not right here. Okay. They're still over there just hanging out. I was reading up that if I soak up this water over here, then... Oh, there's a rooster! Oh, come here. Yes! Yes! Run! Take the rooster and run! But I was reading up that if you suck up the water with your gun, that you could just shoot the tar monsters, or the tar slimes, with the water. Instead of having to pick them up and then they're hurting you and then you throwing them, because I was throwing them out, like, into the water. But I didn't know you could pick up water with your gun, so when I go back over that way, I'm going to try it. There you go! You got a boy now. I'm just gonna drop these carrots on him. I don't know where to put them. Put some cocoa fruit. I need to build a silo. But I don't want to spend any money. I'm gonna try to save it. You guys are trying to get the cocoa fruit. I want to try to save it because I want to try to get the range place. Upward. What if I give you? You don't need it? I'm scared. Eat the chickens. Okay. Oh, I can pick it up. Oh, that is handy. That is very handy. Hi, Lola. Hi, babies. Hey, Rockport. Okay, I was watching Cupquake's video of this, and there was like a gold slime that appeared over here. Tabbies! I have... Okay, I'm just gonna drop it off. Because I want these tabbies. Little kitties! Kitties! I shouldn't be getting this much, but there's a huge cat. I just don't have room for it, but I want it. I don't know how to create it. Ooh, let's over that way. We'll go over there in another video. What are you? You don't look like a regular kid. No! Stupid Rockport! I'll take, or rock slime, I'll take the port though. That was like a different... I wonder if I can fall into the water. No, kitty, no! Don't! Oh my Largo! Largo slimes are large slime hybrids formed when a slime eats a floor unlike its own. Pull back to keep them on the nozzle or shoot them to send them flying. Oh my Largo! Pink tabby Largo, what's your diet? Eat everything. Yep, you eat everything. Okay. Can I get up there? Oh, probably could have had like the... You can get a jetpack. I probably could have had a jetpack. Alright, let's take our kitties home! Our cocoa fruit's still over here. One big old pile. If I see any rock quartz. Tabby! Oh no! Trying to do a big one. I still haven't seen the phosphorus ones. And they come out at night. Oh, I think it's where they ran to. To a wall. There's a I wonder if I can upgrade my gun to where I can hold more items. This way up here. My lights does this. It like glitches out when I'm at my house. Oh, I have so many now. Oh, I forgot I was recording for a second. Let's just open this box. Forgot because the glitching is making me mad. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the episode. I think I only have like a minute left on my timer. Yeah, I don't have a good one left. I will see you guys in the next episode. Hopefully it doesn't glitch out like it is right now. It's not glitching when I go out and like explore. It's glitching. I don't know if it's because I don't like glitching sometimes. Let me know if you're liking the series. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.